Hey beautiful people, after you have protected your skin this winter using Oils and Bars shea butter and oat milk soaps, now it's time to get ready for Oils and Bars spring cool and refreshing cucumber soaps.
Oils and Bars.
Oils and Bars.
Oils and Bars.
I'm excited here. I'm gonna go take a shower now.
Oils and Bars. Yeah.
Check her out. The difference between Oils and Bars cucumber soaps and the other brand cucumber soaps is I use real cucumber. They don't use real anything in their soaps. So anyway, I prepped my cucumbers, pureed it, set it to the side. And then I prepared my food grade sodium hydroxide to add to my hard oils and butters. And then I burped my stick blender so that I don't have air pockets in my soap bars, and emulsified my ingredients together. And then it was time to add Nature's Miracle for itchy, dry skin, oat milk. Blended it all together, got it all creamy and milky as you can see. So now it's time to add my pureed cucumber. Let's talk about the skin benefits of cucumbers for a second. So it reduces skin inflammation and puffiness. It also helps to lighten dark spots on our skin, tighten pores, and cucumbers also helps to soothe irritated and sensitive skin. And this video is brought to you and sponsored by Oils and Bars soaps. Oils and Bars soaps are bigger and better than regular soaps. Oils and Bars are 6+ ounces of soap. Regular soaps are 2+ ounces. For the same price, get yours today for $3.
Stop sleeping and go buy you some Oils and Bars.
Why should you be using Oils and Bars soaps? Because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best.